Hello and welcome everyone to Forinda tutorial on kickjs. Today I want to be talking about introduction to kickjs and why it exists. This will be the first episode on the masterclass for kickjs, and I'm just going to take you through the process of kickjs and why does it exist and how did it come about. Okay. So generally speaking, we have a lot of innovation going on in the front-end ecosystem where we have the Vite, and a lot is being innovated on that side. So on my end, I sat down and thought that what if maybe I can also innovate based on the ideas that I've collected from the experience I've had in the industry, build something that can solve problems for people in the JavaScript ecosystem, more so in the backend ecosystem. Okay, so uh, this kickjs is generally a bootstrap of small things put together, meaning we're just trying to give you an isolation and keep the bundle really small, making sure that the learning curve is not that steep, and we have an open contract that each and every user who is going to integrate with is really open for everyone to access. So you can see it's more of a decorator driven APIs via Express 5. That is what you're doing by default, and it is REST, also support WebSockets and queues, and you pick whatever you want. It is first class TypeScript. That means you have to write TypeScript, and you can see in the ecosystem currently people are really adopting TypeScript for writing maintainable code. So these are now the core things we are doing. It is adaptive in nature. This means that you can adapt any kind of pattern that you so wish in the ecosystem. We are having first class decorators that you can use across your application. It is powered by Vite for dev server, and you know whatever Vite has done to the front-end ecosystem. Then we have a CLI scaffold, which will generally handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you, like code generation, type generation, and so on and so forth. We also have the pluggable design, by which you can plug in adapters and plugins in whichever way you so wish to extend the internal API system of kickjs. So majorly, these are now the inspirations that I took cover from. So number one is React Router, which is more of the HMR, module loading, and just how plugins work around it. We also have Turnstack Start, which is one of the good projects here that we are having on the Turnstack ecosystem, and you know they're really having good tools out there. We also have Vinci, which persists set across hot reloads, database connection, and long-lived resource survive code changes seamlessly. So we also have Vue.js, the reactivity in Vue.js. We also have Spring Boot, which is more of elegance. It's elegance in version control. Majorly, it's also decorator driven, and it's on their end. We call it annotations. Laravel, more of batteries included, just like Django. Nest.js, the decorators and TypeScript. Then we have the modular system. Also, Express.js is now the foundation under which kickjs is built. So that is all about kickjs. So let's meet in the next part for the introduction bit.